Good morning. I am Dashni and she is my partner Bhargavi. Now we are going to explain erupting volcano. Now I am going to say about the volcano. A volcano is a rupture in the crust of a planetary object such as Earth that allows mass object volcano ash hot lava to escape the gases from the below the earth's surface. Now I am going to do a demo. Have mixed the vinegar in this and dishwashing liquid and the food coloring powder. I have put the baking soda in this. Now I am pouring the